There are over 200 countries in the world, and every country influences the world through culture, economy, and wildlife. So, what happens if a part of our world never existed? In today's video, we are taking a look at the changes that would occur if the Indian subcontinent never existed. First of all, Indian subcontinent doesn't mean India. It includes India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan, Sri Lanka, and finally Maldives. Indian subcontinent has a combined land area of 4.4 million square kilometers. That's 3% of world's total land area. It is not that much of a loss in terms of land area. But when we look at the demographics, India alone has a population of 1.3 billion people, which is second in the world. When we add the total population of the 7 countries, it becomes 1.8 billion people. That's 23% of world population. No other country or continent has that much people except for Asia. That's almost 1 out of every 4 people in the world. That is more people that live in North America, South America, and Europe combined. In addition to that, there is 22 official languages and more than 2000 ethnic groups in India alone. African continent is the only place with more ethnic diversity and languages. Four of the world's major religions was born in India: Hinduism, Buddhism, Sikhism, and Jainism. These religions, languages, ethnic diversity, and 1.8 billion people will disappear along with the Indian subcontinent. Currently, the world has a population of 7.7 billion people, in which 2.4 billion are Christians, 1.9 billion are Muslims, 1.2 billion are Hindus, and the remaining 2.2 billion include the followers of other religions and atheists. Without the Indian subcontinent, the world population will fall to 5.9 billion people. However, Christianity will not have a significant change in population, but the percentage of Christian influence will go from 30% to 40%, and the Muslim population of the world will drop to 1.4 billion, and the influence will slightly change from 24% to 23%. In the case of Hinduism, the population will be zero along with the other religions born in India. However, the religious distribution of rest of the world will also change since the spread of religion and culture was due to the colonial rule of European countries. Because without India, colonial history will change rapidly. European explorers like Columbus and Vasco da Gama would never set out to find India. So the discovery of the Americas and the Caribbeans would be delayed, which will then stop the killing of the Native Americans, and the countries like Canada and USA will be very different. China and Russia will be the world's leading countries. The economic structures of Middle Eastern countries like Saudi Arabia and Qatar would be different, since the majority of labor force in these countries are from the Indian subcontinent. Our lifestyles will also change a lot because Indian culture influenced the world through yoga, Ayurveda, and a lot of festivals like Holi, Diwali, and Onam. Also, the vegan population of the world will drop since India has the largest number of vegans, with nearly 25% of its population identify as vegan. Also, the Buddhist ideologies will not exist. Social media platforms like Facebook and YouTube will be less influential considering the number of users these companies have in the Indian subcontinent. YouTube alone has nearly 300 million active users in India. The eating habit of the world will also change since there won't be any pepper. Till date, pepper is the most important spice because it shaped the history of the world. Now we have to live without it. Indian subcontinent also has a lot of biodiversity. 10% of the world's total biodiversity is located in India. It is home to a lot of cat species like leopards, Asiatic lion, Bengal tigers, snow leopards, and clouded leopards. Some of them are only found in India, so they will go extinct, along with a lot of other plant and animal species. Landscapes like the Himalayas, Everest, and Western Ghats will also be destroyed. Taj Mahal and other architectural wonders of India will also be lost. However, there are a lot of other events that could happen in this hypothetical situation. So write down your suggestions in the comment box. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.